How to fix Facebook Friends shortcut bar missing. So if you're facing a problem with the Facebook Friends shortcut bar, then first of all open up your Facebook application, and then after opening, here on the upper side you will have a bar, right? So if you don't find this your friends option on your shortcut bar, then you can go for the upper right corner, which has the three bar icon, and here you can simply go for settings, which is on the upper right, which has that gear icon. And here on the upper right corner you will have a search icon. You can simply tap on that, and then you can search for navigation bar or status bar, or you can also go back, and then if you scroll down under this preferences, you will have navigation bar. You can simply tap on that, and then you can tap on customize the bar, which is on the first option, and here you will have this friend request option, right? So you can simply tap on the drop down bar, which is on the right side, and then you can tap on pin if you want to pin that. For now I have kept that on auto, but if you want to pin that on your notification bar or your status bar, then you can simply tap on pin, and now you can simply go back, and then you can refresh your Facebook page. And after refreshing, on the upper side you can see that I have this friends option, right? So that's it. That's how you set friends on your status bar. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.